Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Wealth Creation Investing. My name is Forex Joe, and in this training session, we're going to talk about abundance. Abundance is your birthright, and it's yours for the taking. I have this quote that I wrote many, many years ago that I keep near me at all times. Remember that greatness inspires a level of excellence few others can imagine, much less fulfill. I'll read that one more time and think about it. Remember that greatness inspires a level of excellence few others can imagine, much less fulfill. Many people today are just existing, they're not excelling. This is why 98% of the people on earth are always wanting something else of substance. Ladies and gentlemen, as you live in today's world, please understand that abundance is your birthright. It's there for you to accept and take. As we put up this disclaimer, if you've never seen this disclaimer before, we ask that you stop the video at this time and review it. Those of you that have been in class many, many times, or those of you that have been reviewing some of our free videos, you understand this disclaimer, so we will continue. But in talking about abundance, who was your role model when it comes to money, prosperity, finance, and abundance in your lifetime? I am amazed at how many people do not understand money. For most of us, it was our parents, and for them, it was their parents. What did I learn in my education about money? What did you learn? You know that there are more games being passed around in junior high school and high school that will teach kids how to go into debt and use credit than there are teaching them about the Forex markets, or teaching them finances, or teaching them really about money. So every human on earth has an attachment to money. They already have the odds against them before they ever start the process. Now, you've seen many entrepreneurs, many have had ideas, they keep getting to take one step forward and two steps back, not quite making it. On the other end of the spectrum, you've seen some entrepreneurs that just have passionate desire, they have the right product at the right time, and then all of a sudden they become millionaires, or in some cases billionaires. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to tell you that my research and many others who I respect have found not much in the equation of people understanding money. There seems to be more info going into debt, especially those new games for kids and getting credit cards, than formal education on the power of being debt-free and having money generate a return for you. The key word that you want to learn in this process is compounding. You see, if you have a typical high school that includes courses about economics and government, but they have nothing on how to attract money or how to have a healthy relationship with money, mainly because most of the teachers have been so dumbed down in the last 30 years that they have a negative attitude also. Traditional education teaches how to acquire job skills, and it's not even doing that job in the 21st century. We're in a paradigm change. We're coming out of the industrial age of the 20th century into a technology age. And they are preparing students to get paid what a particular job is worth, not what the individual is worth. Each and every one of us has inside of us a special talent that would translate into generating more money. It's just being able to find it and then have confidence in our ability. Ladies and gentlemen, making more money requires education about free enterprise and how to get paid what the free market bears. It's getting paid on your terms, your time frame, and learning about service and value. That's the key, service and value. The more valuable that you can make yourself or you become through the service you provide, the more you will make or generate. This is not about working hard, because if that were the case, then all of the world laborers would be millionaires. There are people out there that shovel dirt or shovels with the absolute best, or pick up trash with the best. They have passion for what they do. Unfortunately, 98% of the people on earth are 100% wrong about money. You'll have people that will be giving you advice about money that are so far in debt, they're actually living paycheck to paycheck. Anybody out there today that's in debt does not fully grasp or realize or even understand that they are a slave to debt and that they will continue to pay this interest that will allow them never to reach or fulfill their dreams. Once you're able to understand about becoming debt-free and then turning that money into a tool that works for you, you'll be able to change your family tree. You see, you're not a tree. You don't have to stay put. You can learn and make a choice of becoming educated about what the paradigm changes are in the 21st century and what it takes to generate more cash. If this is what you desire, because abundance is your birthright, please understand that you are on this earth to be wealthy, spiritual, and prosperous. Money is not the root of all evil. People are. I am amazed at how many so-called Christians think that anybody that has money is evil. Well, it doesn't matter whether you have money or not. Evil people are evil. Unfortunately, many evil people want to go after money so they can have more power and greed. You see, the actual quotation from the Bible is, the love of money is the root of all evil. If you've never been trained about using money itself to barter for goods and services, then you are having money control your life. And in that fact, the love of money is the root of all evil. You see, money itself is neutral. It's not good or it's not bad. It's just what we do and what we have as a system, because it's paper and it symbolizes an exchange of goods and services. And in some cases, many, many years ago, you bartered for those goods and services and you created a value for yourself. You see, money is an energy that you either attract or repel, much like positive people in your life. It is the negative emotions around money, such as greed, obsession, and power, that can bring negative experiences, and that keeps most people from having it. I want to thank you for taking time to attend this Forex analysis. And what in the world does abundance have to do with Forex trading? Well, in closing, let me tell you that if you can understand that money is used to barter for goods and services and you don't have an attachment to money, you won't be looking at every time the pips go up how much money you've made. You'll be just looking at how many pips you generate and how to hone your skills, because if you hone your skills in creating positive pips long term, the money in itself in return will calculate. But I must share with you that the more in debt you are, it becomes even more difficult and pressurized for you to perform. I would encourage each and every one of you to take a look at your finances and figure out how you can become or learn how to become debt-free, and in the process learn the word compounding. There is no better vehicle in the world than trading money for money in a 24/7 market that trades $4.7 trillion a day that cannot be manipulated like the Forex markets. If you can learn this vocation for life, you will have the opportunity to live in the upper 2% of wage earners in the world. If that interests you, then why don't you check out Wealth Creation Investing and give us a chance to participate with you and teach you how you can get rid of your job just over broke and change your sense of direction for a lifetime. Till next time, Godspeed. My name is Forex Joe.